In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PureTuber app on Android. By the end, you'll have the app installed and ready to explore its playback features all in just a few minutes. First, unlock your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer, and the icon looks like a multicolored play button. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Wi-Fi is best for a quick, smooth download. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. Type PureTuber and pause for a moment to let the results load. You might see several similar names, so look carefully. You're after PureTuber, video and MP3 player, and the developer listed should be Hi5 Animation Company Limited. Tapping the correct result will open the app's page where you can confirm you've got the right one by checking the icon, the developer name, and the description. When you're ready, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app, then automatically install it on your device. If your connection is slower or storage is tight, this might take a little longer, so just let it finish. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it's complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch PureTuber right away. If you prefer to start it later, you can find the app in your app drawer or add it to your home screen. On first launch, the app may show a brief introduction or request permissions it needs to function. Read any prompts carefully and proceed as you're comfortable. Now that it's installed, here's what you can look forward to. PureTuber supports background video and music playback, so your audio keeps playing even when you switch to another app or turn off the screen. It also offers a floating pop-up player, letting a small, movable window stay on top while you browse or message. If your device supports it, you can use picture-in-picture mode for a more seamless, native floating experience. There's dedicated audio playback while you use other apps, and for video quality, the app supports high-resolution playback up to 8K, provided your device and connection can handle it. Higher resolutions use more data, so consider Wi-Fi if you plan to stream in very high quality. That's it. Open the Play Store, search PureTuber, choose the listing by Hi5 Animation Company Limited, tap Install, and then Open. If you don't see the app in search, it may not be available in your region or on your specific device model. Otherwise, you're all set. Enjoy exploring PureTuber's playback options on your Android.